What's up everyone, my name is Red and today I want to talk to you guys about Bitcoin's price history and how to tell if we are in a bull market. Let me just start off by saying that just because Bitcoin's price is going up does not mean that we are out of a bear market. It can just be a continuation of whatever trend Bitcoin is currently following. So let's go back to 2017 and let's take a look at some price history. Let's go back to the beginning. So where exactly can we see the market is being bullish? There are actually several signs that, looking back, we can tell that it was an obvious bull market. Whenever Bitcoin rose and then had a dramatic sell-off, we can see that whenever it had its sell-off, it wouldn't drop below its previous price rally. So let me show you an example. When we rose from, let's start off with, alright, let's go here in March, we rose all the way up to 1800, dropped a little bit, didn't go below this rally. Then we rose again. Then when we dropped again, we still didn't go below this rally, and it just kept going on throughout the entire year. We can see that Bitcoin just did that continuously. Every time it rose to new all-time highs, then it would have a dramatic sell-off, but still wouldn't drop below its previous rally, up until the point where we made it to $20,000. Until the beginning of 2018 is when we started to see the signs that the bull market was coming to an end. Let's take a look at some volume that these exchanges were having. Back in early 2017, we can see that there was a lot of, not really so much volume in the very beginning, but throughout the year we would get an increase of volume, and it just kept going and going and going until we reached new all-time highs. Then all of a sudden, in the beginning of 2018, the volume just dropped. It went completely flat for a couple months. Then as we move into February and March, we can see that we had a small rally to $12,000, then a large sell-off right after. After we got this double top here at the $12,000 mark, investors started to realize that we weren't going any higher. So there was this massive sell-off following, and then after we broke through the support level of $10,000 when we dropped the first time at $12,000, people started selling even more, and then we started getting near our key support level of $6,000. Throughout 2018, the $6,000 to $5,800 level was a very important role. Every time we came near these lows, we would have a rally, but every rally that we had kept getting weaker and weaker. So the first rally we had brought us up to $12,000 and then dropped us back to our key support of $6,000. And the second rally we had came right in between the $12,000 mark and our key support level, just like it did here in our first rally. It went somewhere between our $6,000 support level and our $20,000 all-time high. We just recently had a rally that almost led to us reaching $10,000, and right now we could be experiencing a repeat of what we had over the last 6 months. We could potentially see another weak rally, kind of like the other two that we had, that goes somewhere between $10,000 and $6,000. And then we can fall back to our key resistance, key support level of $6,000. But let me just add that nothing is ever a sure thing, especially when it comes to crypto. But this does generally give us a good sense of direction of where the market wants to go. So the question remains, when can we feel bullish? Given the previous price history and trends, I think a good time to feel bullish is if we can rally and go over this $10,000 mark, or if we were to have another weak rally, our rally would probably end somewhere between $10,000 and our key support level of $5,800 to $6,000. So we can go between $10,000 and $6,000. Then we can drop back to our key support level, and then we would have to go over our previous rally. So I hope that gave some clarity to some of you that were wondering, when is a good time to feel bullish? When is a good time to start feeling good about the market? So thank you guys for watching, and if you guys like my video, please subscribe to the channel so you can check out some more future videos that I'll be posting later. Later guys.